You're at the airport, the teller hands you crisp $100 bills. They feel real, the texture, the colors, even the smell. But at your hotel, the clerk spots something odd. He holds the bill to the light, squints, then frowns. These aren't normal fakes. They're supernotes, counterfeit $100 bills, so perfect they fooled banks, ATMs, and even US experts for decades. December 1989, Central Bank of the Philippines. A calm, well-dressed man deposits a stack of hundreds. They pass every test until a teller notices the serial numbers look too perfect. When questioned, the man bolts. Bills are rushed to the US Secret Service, becoming case C-14342. Forensic tests reveal the impossible. The same cotton linen blend used in real bills, printed with multi-million-dollar intaglio presses identical to the US Treasuries. Only under a microscope are tiny flaws, visible a gap near Franklin's portrait and a thickened line in the background. This was the first supernote. Soon, identical fakes appear in Hong Kong casinos, Russian markets, and even inside diplomatic pouches. Arrests in the 90s of North Korean diplomats exposed the likely source. Room 39 in Pyongyang, a secret office generating billions for the regime. North Korea's own currency was worthless abroad, so they printed dollars. Hidden inside Plant 62, a fortress with razor wire and guards, they replicated US bills down to microscopic detail even, adding tiny flaws as a signature. By the mid-1990s, North Korea had weaponized the dollar, even after the US redesigned the $100 bill in 1996. Pyongyang copied it within 2 years, replicating advanced features like color-shifting ink. The FBI struck back with stings like Royal Charm and Smoking Dragon, seizing millions. Smugglers hid supernotes in books, fabric, even children's toys. In Las Vegas, a Taiwanese gambler laundered thousands by feeding fake $100 into slot machines, cashing out in real money. Then in 2005, the US Treasury delivered the real blow, freezing $25 million of North Korean funds in a Macau bank. Within days, Asian banks cut ties. Suddenly, Pyongyang couldn't pay its diplomats or fund covert operations. Ironically, by counterfeiting US dollars, North Korea had made itself dependent on the very system it tried to undermine.